Meaning of diploma.
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 Diploma. A diploma is a certificate or official document awarded by an educational institution, such as a college or university, upon completion of a specific course of study. It serves as proof that the recipient has met the requirements and standards necessary to earn the degree or certification specified on the diploma. A diploma can be used as evidence of knowledge and skills in a particular field, as well as for career advancement and job opportunities. It is often considered a significant achievement and symbol of educational attainment.